Hey guys, Snowflake Nice2 here. I got suspended. I don't know if I'm being hacked or suspended. I'm a new jammer. My real username is... Yeah. And it's just terrible. I have one piece of cloth and two betas. Not two betas, I mean two den items. Most things are from members, so it's like I can't get much. I really can't get much. Can't get much because oh, can't change color, can't do anything. And now I emailed them after I tried to call them, because apparently you can't call them anymore. They canceled the home closing, and now the only way to get in contact with Animal Jam is to, email, which takes a few days, rather than when it comes to calling, a few minutes. And I'm just really stuck. I will show you all what happened when I tried to log into my account. So this is what happens when I try to play. This account is currently suspended and cannot log in at this time. I don't like it. Okay, it's terrible. I don't have much to do. I can't work on what I want to work on. I can't do anything. The only thing I can do is just hope that I'm gonna get my account back and as soon as possible. That's all I can do. And that's it. This is most I can trade. Can't trade it for anything. No one's gonna accept it for anything. Maybe like one bad rare. Maybe one not so good rare. I'm just not in a good mood because of all this. I do not like it. This is really ridiculous. I'm so sorry for everyone who is hoping for me to do the next good video. Sorry about that. Gosh, I'm not really sure what to do, really. I don't think I have anything. I have a tie and 2 den items. I can't really do much with that. And I look at all these den betas, I'm like, I wish I can trade for it on my actual account. But honestly, no one would accept for not even beta den items for anything. Nobody would trade these items for anything, unless it's for like a necklace or something worse. I guess that's it. Um, I don't know what to tell you. I just hope that I get my account back as soon as possible. And I'll see you all in a few days, maybe. So, yeah. Bye, everyone.